let me show you how to enable liquid glass on your iPhone. Now, if you updated to iOS 26 and you wanted the latest liquid glass look and feel, I'll show you how to get it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure your iPhone is updated. This is only a feature if your iPhone has iOS 26. So you can see it's currently at iOS 26.1. Update your iPhone if you haven't already. Now, we need to get into customizing your home screen. So you can press and hold on an app. And from here, you can hit Edit Home Screen. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just press and hold anywhere on your iPhone screen where there's not an app. Now, let's go through the process of customizing it and enabling the liquid glass, which is AKA clear here. Now, you can see under it, there's auto, which will switch from the light mode, which is this is the light mode, and it will switch to the dark mode at night, essentially light for day, dark for night, or you can just have it auto and it will automatically switch for you. Now, keep in mind, if you don't see this, if you don't see the ability to switch to this option, there could be some settings on your iPhone that are messing it up. So within the settings, we need to go to the accessibility, and then within the display and text size, you can see reduce transparency and increase contrast. If you turn both of these on, you'll be able to see it messes up the look and the feel of these app-like icons. They're not really liquid glass anymore. They're just kind of gray. So make sure to turn both of these off, and then you'll get that cool liquid glass feel for all the icons on your phone.